The purpose of this tutorial is to show you how and why to use VIFs from your homepage. Find the capital V. It stands for Very Important Facts in VIFs. When you click it, you'll notice that there are all four orders of operation, but some of them are locked right now. The two concepts of addition and subtraction are so closely related that it forces you to do addition before you can unlock subtraction, and the same thing with multiplication and division. When you click on addition, it takes you to whatever module you are on next. If I scroll down at the bottom, you can also see my progress. It starts out with some introduction videos. They give you real world connections. But when I click on this one, it's telling me how athletes become very good at their craft by doing things over and over again. And it makes the connection to math in the same way. I can't stress enough to my students to make sure and watch the videos so that they get those connections, but also because some of the videos are actually instructional videos. So for example, if I click on number 3 here, I get the zero rule directions, and it explains what the zero rule is. And it also shows me how to play some of the upcoming games that I'm going to get to in my modules. I'm going to click on number 4 right now since I've already watched this. It pulls up the zero rule game. It's going to give me untimed practice to do this concept. So you can see it, 6 plus 0, I have to find the number that matches, that's correct, and I continue until I've done the entire grid. As soon as I finish all of the rounds and games, it allows me to advance to number 5. And you can see that some of these are starred. Consider these your goalposts. When you get to number 10, for example, it's going to give me lots of practice and also lots of stickers because I've learned all of these concepts and it gives me a chance to practice it.